Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal over here, guys. Right now in front of you Epson L3156, and you can see the paper light is flashing. Whenever your printer Epson is showing that kind of error, is paper light flashing, and in the computer screen it will show paper jam or something stuck. So you have to just how to diagnose what is the problem. You have to open the two screws in front of the printer. I just removed already screws. One screw is right here and second one is right here. With the start screwdriver, open the screws and just lift the top cover. So I want to show you one thing why this error came. With the help of flat screwdriver, I will use this and hold this, so you will see, guys. There is a paper sensor over there. Okay, this small is the paper sensor, and you can see from that side the paper sensor is right here. Look, the spring. So when this paper sensor is lifted up, this paper light started flashing. Okay, so right now in this printer I just diagnosed it. There is something stuck inside. It can be a paper, it can be a piece of plastic or anything. So you have to make sure that what's inside without being damaged anything. So in this scene, I just noticed that there is one plastic scale is right down over here. You can see, here you go. That's what I am saying. This is paper sensor. Okay, this is sensor, and right down the sensor there is plastic over there. We have to remove the scale, then you will not find this error. So I will use flat screwdriver to push this scale backward. Okay, very carefully, don't damage anything, just carefully you have to push this scale backward.